Styles of service. Styles of service. The menu development process requirements determining the level type of table service that catering business provides on daily basis. The following criteria determines the service style you choose. First is skill level of available waitstaff. Means how good the servers are at their job. It's about their experience, how they will handle customers, and how efficiently they work. Second is cuisine being served. Refers to the type of food that a restaurant specializes in. Available equipment means the tools and appliances a restaurant has to cook and serve food like ovens, grills, and serving plates. Customer's profile is a detailed description of ideal customers including their age, income, interests, and buying habits. It helps you to target your marketing and create products they love. The table server style that can be used for banquet service include French service, Russian service, American service, buffet service. French service. French service. In American food service operation, French service is frequently mixed with aspects of Russian service due to the high labor demand and cost. Traditional French service necessitates a brigade D service or 6 members dining room crew and is unsuitable for catering. So, French service, this style is typically considered is the most elegant and very expensive. The food is already prepared in the front of the guest. Tableside preparation, such as making a Caesar salad, carving a complete filet de boeuf, and finishing the plum dessert, can all be readily incorporated into formal catering menu presentation. For each additional service activity, a per-person charge is usually applied to the final payment. Tableside serving necessitates the use of rolling carts, ratio stove, burners, and soup pan, among other items. Styles of French service. Russian service. Russian table service is the most appropriate and popular style of table serve used in formal catering. This service method is best suited for tables of 6 to 12 people. Platters and serving dishes are used to arrange all of the food. So, Russian service are also known as a platter service. This is less expensive than French service, where food are prepared in the kitchen and arranged on a platter. Unlike the French service, Russian service is a faster. This is also known as a silver service, using the silver serving piece. Aspects of French service that have been described previously are frequently combined with Russian service practices. Skill training in Russian and French service is one of the labor criteria for this type of service. Furthermore, a high server to the guest ratio raises labor expenditures. The number of waitstaff necessary to successfully execute this service style is greater than the required for American service. Styles of Russian service. American service. The most frequent table service style in catering is the United States is American service. In the kitchen, all of the food is prepared and served into plates. The main meal as well as the accompanying vegetables and carbohydrates are all presented on the same plate. American service, as also known as platted service or pre-platted service, this is the most practical, simplest, and considered as the fast service where all foods are arranged on the plate and served one at a time, or the meal is complete on one plate. The main dish is covered with a plate cover, which keeps the food warm and allows servers to stock plates into big banquet trays. Once in the dining area, the waitstaff can quickly serve big groups of people. This table serve technique needs basic table service abilities and uses a small number and server. Styles of American service. Buffet service. Buffet service, which is commonly combined with American service, is the popular method of service for private gatherings. Salad, vegetable, and main course items may be served at the table, with appetizer, beverages, and dessert on the buffet. However, the serve approach necessitates extra time for the total meal. Buffet service, also known as self-service. This is a formal table serve where foods are attractively arranged on the table and the guests serve themselves. And also, guests must be wait until they are guided to the buffet before approaching it. Styles of buffet service. The main course buffet that can be contain vegetables, grains, entries items, and often a carving station with a chef slicing meat to order is complemented with chef displays, salad bars presentation, and dessert tables. Price range. The important parts of the catering menu program are controlled by the pricing structure development by management to suit both customers' wants and profit goals. First is the level of cuisine. The menu item selected, the quality of food product. The level of cuisine refers to the quality and sophistication of food. Then is the menu item selected. It should offer special and consider customers' feedback to keep things fresh and interesting. The quality of food product is just about taste, how nutritious it is, if it's safe to eat. Menu item selection. When choosing menu item for catering menus, the primary goal is to be able to serve guests the same menus items over a period of time in a private event setting for a defined price per person. Catering menus items should be chosen based on their ability to meet three basic purchasing criteria. First is the item can be purchased in large volumes at the required quality. The item is available for purchase through normal distribution channels year-round. The item is available for purchase at a price that the result is an overall food cost that yields an acceptable food cost percentage. So item menu selection refers to the process of choosing the dishes that will be offered on a restaurant menu.